And it all began when Slime smelled something way too delicious. Slime, slow down. It's just pizza, not treasure. Slime, I know you're hungry, but that pizza slice is huge. Be careful. All right, Slime, take a small bite. No, not the whole thing. Oh no, it's got you. Fight the cheese, Slime, fight. Slime is activating super suction mode. Oh no, the crust is fighting back. Duck. Slime, use the Absorbo Blast. And the winner is Slime. But also, Slime might be too full. Who should the Slime battle next? Click the subscribe button for more.